Hey guys, Ravi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel JavaScript Centric. In this video we are going to talk about the yellow warning in React Native. So when we are working on React Native app in the development, we face some error and the warning message. Sometimes it's really helpful, but sometimes it's really annoying. If you know the warning is coming due to the known issue, and you want I will cover this issue later, but you are focusing on a different task, okay, some different piece of code, and the error is and the warning is coming same time. So it's really annoying. So how you can hide those yellow warning box on the app? So in this video we will cover and we will see the example and how we can hide those yellow warning box from the React Native. So in the React Native 0.6.3 they introduced the log box, and using the log box we can hide the yellow warning box. Let's see an example here. Let's create an array. Let's map this array. Here we will pass the item, and now we can see that this warning is coming, and you know why this warning is coming. So you can see each child in the list should have a unique key props. So here we have not passed any unique key, so here you have to pass a unique thing. So let's we are passing the index value, and here you have to pass index. Okay, so in this case the yellow warning will not come. Sometimes we know we miss this thing, and you forget to pass the key values, and then this yellow warning is coming, and along with this yellow warning some other warning is also coming, and it's really difficult to check each warning, okay, and debug the app. So for that one we can use the log box, and now you have to use log box, ignore all log, only this line you have to write here, and you can see no yellow warning is coming. So now you can focus your task, but this is not the right way, because some important warning that we have to see in the early stage of the development we can miss. So use this one, but always try to remove those warning, why those warning is coming. You have to check that one also. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Bye.